Like you can be there asking yourself on a hairstyle that you can do when you have broken hairline. Here is the answer. So there's something that you can always do when you're crocheting these crochet that can always undo themselves. So we are going to be looking on how you can always use this soft dread crochet, and the way you can always split it without getting spoiled, because most of some people, when they split it, it gets spoiled. So I'm going to give you the tricks on how to do it. Then the perfect cornrows that you can always do for these crochet also. So this is the hair that we're going to use in this video. So please, if it's your first time to be on this channel, I would like you to give me your time.
Maurice, the Crochet Master.
Alright, yes, my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I work at Hairstyles Clippers, and we thank you so much for your support. And now we have a branch. Yes, we have a branch in Mbarara City. So it is Hairstyles Clippers in Ntinda, Kampala City, and now we're also in Mbarara City, Hairstyles Clippers. So you can always come. We are just those ones in Mbarara. We are behind Kamkozi. We are in Kamkozi behind Bam petrol station. Yes, and in Kampala City we're in Ntinda Ministers Village. So today there's something that is very, very important that I would like you to give me your ears so that we can learn something here. Most of the times I always tell you the things. It is always very good for you to understand them, even if you don't know how to plait hair, but they can always help you when you have a problem with your hair. So when you have broken hairline, mostly because I always get people with broken hairlines, and I advise according to how like what we can always do, the hairstyle that they want. But the challenge that I always get is that when they come with a particular hairstyle they want, they always want to do it, even when their hairline is bad. They always want to do that particular hairstyle. So I would always advise you guys that most of the times when a hairstylist tells you like you try to communicate with you about the hair, the way it is, and what you can always do, please at least try to listen to them. Yeah, because there is something that maybe you may not see. I always hear people say that my hair doesn't grow, it breaks all the time. Like whenever I plait, it breaks, so it doesn't grow, you just plait. But you can't say that the hair doesn't grow, but whenever it breaks and you find there's some hair there, so it means what you've been doing are the one that are breaking that hair. So what you always do is maybe to change your hairstylist, or to try on some other hairstyles. So those are the things that you should always focus on before deciding on a hairstyle, because most of the times whenever we see a hairstyle, we just choose to do it, but not knowing that maybe it's not good for our hairline. So you should always try to understand that. So when it comes to this crochet, I realized that her hairline was weak and it is broken already. So yes, another thing is she got the straight hair, so it means it is laxed hair. And now when it is lax, we now know that on the edges they're already weak. That's why sometimes even they're breaking. So to protect them from not breaking more, we have to create those hairstyles that are very protective for that for the hairline. So that's why I had to choose these soft dreads. That's the crochet name, is soft dreads. That but we can use them as we're protecting the hair. And most of the times whenever you do it in this style, you find like your hair is growing, as I'm going to be showing you in the video. You find your hair is growing. By the time you're going to unplait it, your hair is already perfect. So let's try to see how we are supposed to do it and to achieve that look. So since it is in the fringe way, we are going to do the cornrow that is with the puff. And the cornrow that with the puff, we always know we have to use the inside cornrows. And the inside cornrow, this is how we do it. I always tell you that whenever we're doing the inside cornrows, it is good because it lasts longer than these other cornrows. That's why I always want you guys to learn how to do this inside cornrow. It is very nice, and it is very nice, and it doesn't pain at all. It is painless, yet it can last longer. So this is how we do it. So you make sure you do it in a puff way, so that this person, when she wants to hold the puff, it is always going to be easy for her. And then leaving it free, or even styling it in different sides, middle and sides, holding a puff, it will always be comfortable for her. So that's why I would want you to learn that. Then you can see now the soft dread. This is how it looks. And then we continue with our puff cornrows, and this is how I do it. Yes, so those ones who would want to learn it in detail, you can just go to the website, that is www.morristhecrochetmaster.com, and then you see on my courses. Then you will see how to do the inside inside cornrows. And yes, and still I even teach very detailed on how to do the extended dreadlocks, so you can go and learn them online. So this is how we got our cornrows, and it is in the pathway. Yes, this is how it looks. Right, yes, so when we are done with all that, remember we're going to be trimming the fringe. And now when I try to teach you on how to trim the fringe, you always know that there is, when you cut it, when it is below the eyebrows, and that one of when it is above the eyebrows. So every head shape can look on its own. So when I would like, when you're trying to trim this fringe, please make sure you trim slowly. Like maybe you first with that one that is below the eyebrows, and then if you try to see that it is coming out, then you can try to skip up to the above the eyebrows. But please don't make it to go far the eyebrows because it will look funny. That's why most people fear to do fringe, because some people do them and they really look funny. Find someone is girl, like girlish, and then you do it, someone just looks old. So those ones who always try to trim the fringe, make sure that you follow those rules according to the face, the head shape. Those ones with dog face and cat face, there's the difference on how you can always trim those fringe. But there's that one that can be below the eyebrows, and those ones that there's those ones that are exact on the eyebrows, the line of the eyebrows, and those ones that are above the eyebrows. So you can always try to see that one that looks good. So trim it slowly by slowly. Yes, so now this is how it is, and I want you to look at it. It is so amazing. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and those ones with weak hairlines, please don't fear anything. I got it for you. You can always come and we create something simple and nice. Trust me, it will make you feel good. I'm Maurice, the crochet master. I'm gonna be signing out. See you in my the next video. But remember, we have a branch in Mbarara. Yes, that is Come Cozy behind BAM petrol station. You can always come and have our services here by Clippers. Bye bye. See you on my other next video.